Hey guys, what's up? Guess who I have here today?
Hey, I'm Deborah.
Yes, this is my baby sister Deborah, and today we're going to show you guys a tutorial on how to look like twins with your mini-me. Look, don't we look like twins? And do you like this hairstyle, Deborah?
Yes.
Why?
Because my favorite hairstyle.
Ooh, it's your favorite hairstyle. Show them your favorite product, Deborah.
This one because I like curls and it's smelling good.
A cream of nature butterlicious curls, and apparently she uses it all the time. I didn't know that. Anyway, so stay tuned guys. Bye.
Baby mujaje, oto ibe kumkege, onantene okazane kumiye. Yo wana ngoneke, bankuna choneke, sewenimza kike. Sweetie yo bagami yo, sweetie yo bagami yo, sweetie yo bagami yo. Sweetie yo bagami yo.
Now the minya girl when you want me to for me chi dia me sanko wada na me boa for which am ya metiato makoma be protobo. Mikasa sukasa against for bekasa wachi dia minya da to dia dia me pa ba yakopon wo ya fa wo bread ya bontra tobo. Me pia ya me bante ma grunti ye nante ma na drag ro open e paso and say from onim de me paint ya wo ma me na come from obe pongo si open ma oda me ho te set ma ye don me bon hu de te sa do ma e mo de se bo ma ayon bogu yo ye don no nyo fa koda.
Sweetie yo bagami yo, sweetie yo bagami yo. Sweetie yo bagami yo, sweetie yo bagami yo, sweetie yo bagami yo. Sweetie yo bagami yo.
It's Kelpie Vibe.
Yeah. You dey cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you go love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Oh me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know say the thing when you carry 50 kill somebody. You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me, yeah. And I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you go do forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Signal you. Why you want to the question on me like I interview? I'm gonna put the ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low, on the low.
Okay guys, that was the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to
like
and
subscribe
and
comments
down below. Do you guys like this look? Yes, down below. Doesn't she look like a princess? Show your look. Ooh. Yes, do we look like queens and princesses? Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you
later.